I want to focus, so look at me right now, or in the future looking at footage of me to the camera. I'm sorry you had to see that.
There's more. No.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I did it! I did it! We blast for this! I did it! First insane! And that was the first attempt to the drop on this session. What are the chances? Thank God! Finally! It didn't even take that long, but still. I beat Blast Furnace. I beat Blast Furnace. It feels surreal. It doesn't even feel like I beat it. I wasn't even that nervous. I only got nervous when I got to the fourth part of the boss, but that was because I was very focused. Okay, anyway. Great. I'm gonna have to comment later. Anyway, I'm gonna just say my opinion real quick. This level's fun. It's very fun. Again, I got you can consider me getting unlucky since I got past the boss and died like 16 times before getting inconsistent over the few days. But I didn't get demotivated at all for that. I only get demotivated from inconsistency. But yeah, this is actually a very fun level. I do recommend it. And I hope that if you try and beat this for your first insane demon, like me, I'll give you some tips. The biggest choke point in this level would be It's pretty early in the level, so you can learn it pretty quickly, but it's still kind of like a choke point because it's so much harder than the rest of the parts. It would be the wave at 25. Very complicated to learn. And there's like little choke points that can kill you randomly. Like the whole of the third phase of the boss fight. And the wave at 40, which isn't even that hard, but still pretty difficult. Anyway, thank you for watching. I don't know. I'm probably gonna try and do Necropolis for my second insane. This is surreal. I never thought this was gonna happen. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for dragging off for so long. But I really wanted to get this opinion in. Okay, see you later.